So Nepal, you can see the map here. It's a small country. It's in South and Central Asia, and it's between India and China. So the yellow part, you can see that's Nepal. And the population in Nepal, we have about 29 million people, and we have 3 million people in the capital. And in Nepal, we are the only center. There's only one center, and that's located in the capital. And the other picture you see, that's a picture from my center. So students are using the college preparation books and the test preparation books for their studies in the US. So the education system is different from the US. We have the school living certificate, which is the 10th year of school. And this is also called the Iron Gate because like only 50% of them who give the exam pass in it. Then is a +2, or we call it PCL or intermediate, which is equivalent to the high school in the US. And after that, we have a 3 years bachelor's, which is different from the US. Like you have the 4 years, we have the 3 years, and only some schools like the engineering, they have a 4 years degree. So when students they give the bachelor's exam, if it's a 3-year degree, it gets difficult for them to apply to the US. So they need to come as a transfer student. And its 17th year is a master's degree. If they have done 3 years degrees, then they go for a 2 years master's degree. And the 18th year would be if they do a 4 years bachelor's and then they complete a master's degree. And if you'd like to know any information about the education system in Nepal, you can always visit the website, which is the Ministry of Education, moe.gov.np. So trends in Nepal, we have increasing number of students every year coming from the Nepal to the US to study. There's this growing interest in the US because US provides a good education to the students from Nepal, and the political turmoil in Nepal has brought many students to come and study in the US. So because of that, right now, according to the Open Doors, we have about 8,936 students studying in the US currently. And there was a 15% increase from last year, and we stand in the 11th position among the countries. And in the US, the number of undergraduate students is 64%, and 24% is for the graduate level students. The negative thing about the private agents is that there are a lot of colleges who are working with the private agents, but we advise the colleges not to work with the private agents because they do not send you the best fit students, as they have only a list of colleges and they make the students to apply only to those colleges. So it's better that you communicate with the students and you advise them to apply to the colleges themselves. And there's this herd mentality and societal pressure from parents. They want their they want their children to come and study in the US, and also the students, they like to follow their friends and they go to the same colleges. So there's another thing. And a good thing is that even USCF Nepal, we are promoting students for higher education in the US. And we have these student visa information sessions where the counselor themselves, they come and give information about the visa process. So students are also coming to our center, and they're using our services to come and study in the US. So we are here to help you all. So if you want to come and set up an information session at our center, you're always welcome to. We have an auditorium. We can fit about 80 students, and we pre-register students for you all. So if you can email us and tell us when you wish to come, we'll arrange it for you all. And we have transcript attestation. So there's this trend about Nepal where students they can get to buy these fake documents for cheap prices. So we do a transcript attestation. So if you ask your students to come to our center and use our transcript attestation policies, then you won't have to deal with these fraudulent documents. And you can always send us information about your center. You can send us promotion materials. You can send us pendants. We can hang them up at a center, and students will get to know more about your colleges. And if you want to know any information from Nepal, we are ready to help you. We have a stall upstairs, as my colleagues told you. So you can always grab a business card, and we are there to help you out.